Today we're diving deep into a project that's quietly rewriting the rules of how Bitcoin can be used. Bitcoin has always had a rock-solid reputation as digital gold, but because of that, people often overlook something more important. It's not just about holding value. Bitcoin's security, its proof of work, has the potential to protect much more than just your money, and that's exactly where LayerEdge steps in. At its core, LayerEdge turns Bitcoin into what it calls a global trust computer. But here's what it means. Bitcoin doesn't just protect Bitcoin anymore. With LayerEdge, it can secure anything from financial apps to artificial intelligence systems, even smart sensors in the Internet of Things. It's not just a store of value anymore, it becomes a decentralized verification layer for the entire Internet. LayerEdge is all about two cutting-edge technologies, zero-knowledge proofs and BitVM. Zero-knowledge proofs let one person prove to another that something is true without showing all the information. Imagine being able to prove you're over 18 without sharing your exact age or birthday. This technology protects your privacy while making sure that the data stays accurate. Then there's BitVM, which is like a secret weapon. Normally, Bitcoin doesn't support smart contracts like Ethereum does, but BitVM changes the game. It allows Bitcoin to run complex programs without changing its original code. That means LayerEdge can run powerful computation tasks on Bitcoin without compromising its core security. LayerEdge uses a three-part system for its architecture. First, provers handle the heavy lifting. They create the verification proofs. Then, aggregators swoop in to group these thousands of proofs into bundles. Finally, verifiers check these bundles to make sure everything is legit. The real genius here is what comes next. LayerEdge then uses BitVM to anchor the final results on Bitcoin's blockchain. This doesn't just save space, it saves a ton of money. In fact, cost savings are one of the most impressive parts of this story. Before LayerEdge, if you wanted to verify something using Bitcoin security, it could cost more than $900 per application. But by combining proofs from 50 or more applications into a single batch, LayerEdge slashes that cost down to under $20. That's over 95% cheaper, and that's not just marketing fluff. These numbers come straight from their official testnet results and updated white paper. LayerEdge launched an incentivized testnet in January 2025 with two major phases. The first phase ran until late February and tested lightweight browser nodes. These were easy to set up and participants earned Edge points as rewards. Then came the second phase, which introduced more powerful command line nodes. These earned twice as many points, and testers could earn bonuses by submitting proofs or even helping create them with AI tools like ChatGPT. Participants also had a chance to mint a Pledge Pass NFT for a tiny fee, just 0.0009 ETH. These passes are expected to play a role during the token launch. The idea was to reward early contributors and build a solid, incentivized community around the project. By March 2025, the testnet had processed over 450,000 zero-knowledge proofs, bundled them into 45,000 aggregated proofs, and recorded them on a private version of the Bitcoin blockchain called Signet. Altogether, it saved an estimated $3.5 million in verification costs. The team is now preparing for Bitcoin's potential OpCat soft fork. If that gets activated, it would make native on-chain zero-knowledge verification even more efficient, reducing latency and costs even further. One of the smartest moves LayerEdge has made is EVM compatibility. That means it works with Ethereum's virtual machine. So all the Ethereum developers out there, millions of them, can tap into Bitcoin's security without having to learn new tools. And when we say flexibility, we mean real-world use cases. Think beyond just crypto apps. With LayerEdge, you can verify AI models, IoT device data, even infrastructure that connects physical hardware to blockchain networks. That's a big deal for industries like healthcare, logistics, and even smart cities. Now let's shift gears and talk about the most controversial topic, the LayerEdge token. Despite false rumors of an upcoming token with the ticker EDGE that claimed all kinds of false allocations, the LayerEdge team has denied any connection to the rumored token, even stating that the official coin might not even be named EDGE. The official white paper was released, and the token, whatever the ticker ends up being, will serve three core purposes. First, it will be used to pay for transaction and verification fees within LayerEdge. Second, it will reward node operators, those running light or full verification nodes. And third, it will act as a universal gas token that works across different blockchains. So if you're a DeFi protocol, AI developer, or even building a cross-chain game, this token lets you plug into LayerEdge's security network and get verified securely and efficiently. Importantly, the token is not a governance token. It's purely utility-based. It's there to keep the engine running, not to give holders control over decisions. The white paper also outlines a unique reward model for node operators. There are base rewards for uptime, client fees based on verification volume, and performance bonuses for catching bad data or fraud. All of this is designed to keep the network decentralized and trustworthy. Now, there's still a lot we don't know about the token. The white paper doesn't reveal total supply, allocation breakdown, or the exact date of the token generation event. But speculation points to Q2 of 2025 or sometime soon, especially since the testnet ended in March and the team hinted at a proof of humanity system to fight bots before the mainnet launch. So what does this all mean for you, whether you're a developer, investor, or just someone passionate about Bitcoin's future? LayerEdge aims to transform Bitcoin from a passive store of value into a powerful tool for securing the decentralized internet. It scales security, slashes costs, and tries to stay true to Bitcoin's original principles. No forks, no gimmicks, just smarter design. It brings together three powerful ideas: Bitcoin's proof of work, zero knowledge proofs, and BitVM. When combined, they allow Bitcoin to validate thousands of computations from different networks all at once and at a fraction of the cost. And with LayerEdge's testnet success, its EVM compatibility, and growing developer community, this could be one of the most important tools in Bitcoin's next chapter.